All right, and we're on top of the severe weather that's currently ongoing across Connecticut. Much of the shoreline not seeing anything at all today other than heat and humidity. Here's our view from New Haven, capturing the tops of thunderstorms far inland. No issue again currently for the Elm City as we make our way into Hartford. A much improved scene, although we still have some ominous clouds overhead. One round of storms has moved out. Another one is about to move in. And there's our view from Stores. On the back edge is some heavy rain that's now working toward the 395 corridor. Some breaks in the clouds allowing for some rays of sunshine there. So that line that's now exiting Stores, you can see heading toward the 395 corridor, over Woodstock, moving into Putnam, over Brooklyn, also Canterbury, moving in the direction of Plainfield as well. Some of these storms extend into northern New London County, so Hanover, Griswold, Franklin, where Route 2 meets up with 395, looking at that threat for some heavy rain, some gusty wind, and as well some frequent lightning. So on the statewide perspective, we're quite along the shoreline and I-95, but again, the storm that moved out of Litchfield County now into Hartford County, no longer severe, but still producing heavy rain, frequent lightning, perhaps some gusty winds. So hitting communities that have already been rocked once today. Another round of thunderstorms about to move in. So temperatures where we've seen rain dropping dramatically into the 70s and low 80s. Meanwhile, southwest Connecticut, we're still between 85 and 90, where we're still seeing a lot of sunshine. That's also where dew point values make it feel more like the mid 90s. So certainly oppressive out there. The humidity is not going to be going anywhere anytime soon, but tomorrow temperatures will be a little bit cooler than today. We do have a stalled frontal boundary. That's the focal point for the thunderstorm development today as they've been developing and moving to the southeast. So certainly not as widespread as we experienced yesterday, but those storms certainly still packing a punch. So that boundary is still going to be around southern New England during the day tomorrow. So that's going to keep cloudier skies for us, and as well through the afternoon and evening, an ongoing chance for scattered showers and even thunderstorms, especially throughout western Connecticut and areas northwest of I-84. That's the case right on through tomorrow evening. So given the rounds of rain we've already had, the rounds of rain that we're expecting, then eventually rain from Elsa, tropical downpours, we have a flash flood watch. It's already been posted for Fairfield and New Haven counties. This watch will likely be expanded to include more of the state, given those factors. So the latest on Elsa, sustained winds at 45 miles an hour. It has crossed out of Florida into Georgia. With regard to the center of the storm, we've got that tornado watch, heavy rain to the east of that system. It is going to continue moving to the north and then curve to the northeast off the coast of the Delmarva Peninsula, then up in our direction Thursday night into Friday. So here's a little bit closer look again over the Delmarva tomorrow night into Friday morning 2 a.m. Then by 2 p.m. Friday, it's up around Provincetown, lifting up toward the Gulf of Maine. So it's in that window of time pre-dawn tomorrow through early Friday afternoon, that we could be talking about heavy rain and perhaps some gusty wind based on exactly how that storm tracks. So here's a check of futurecast showing again more rain. This will heighten the concern for flooding as we head tomorrow night into Friday morning. You can actually capture kind of counterclockwise circulation there with the storm center moving over southeastern Massachusetts as we head late morning into early afternoon on Friday. So with this storm system coming our way, we've already got a tropical storm watch up for much of the Connecticut shoreline and southeastern Connecticut. And then with regard to the impact here, we're talking about downpours, again, a flooding concern. The strongest wind closest to the storm center, which would be closest to southeast Connecticut. That's where we could get some gusts up to maybe over 40 miles an hour. And given the latest track, which is a shift to the east, the tornado threat not as great as perhaps what it once was. Once we get past Friday, the weekend features perhaps an isolated shower or storm Saturday afternoon, otherwise sun and clouds near 80, about 5 degrees warmer on Sunday, going optimistically dry over the second half of the weekend, then back to unsettled weather with shower and thunderstorm chances Monday to Tuesday of next week. For shoreline highs this weekend, 79 Saturday, 82 on Sunday.